I'm Dr. Isabel Cumandra, and today I'm going to show you how to use Munchies with your Invisalign. So Munchies are an awesome tool to use with your Invisalign. While you're wearing your aligners, you literally will use the Munchie as a chew toy, basically. And what it does, the way that it works, is it helps make sure that your aligners are fully seated, so it makes sure they're all the way in and there's no gaps between your tooth and your aligner. And it helps make sure the teeth move faster and helps a bit with some of that discomfort from the pressure. So the Munchie has 3 different arms and they each have a different purpose. So there's a wide groove that's for your upper front teeth. So the edges of your upper front teeth will fit right into that groove while you're chewing. Then there's a narrower groove for the edges of your lower front teeth. And then there's either a flat or rippled surface to bite on your back teeth. And then if we flip the Munchie this way, you'll see a little indent on both sides, and that's for your canines or your eye teeth. The pointy teeth you bite on each side with those teeth. So with the aligners in, we're going to use the Munchie. I'll start with the wide edge for the upper front teeth, and you're just chewing and moving it around. So we'll do the lower front teeth. And then we can do the molars. And then we can do the canines with the 2 little indents. In terms of frequency, with the Munchie, the more you use it, the merrier. But ideally, if you use it 2 to 3 times a day for about 5 minutes each, that's great. And especially when you switch to your new aligner, using the Munchie right after you switch is a great idea. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy using your Munchies and enjoy your Invisalign treatment.